Hi everyone, let's create a flipbook. Isn't this amazing? For free. Yes, Canva is on fire. And so are these tutorials, especially for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, and let's start our tutorial. Sign up to Canva. Let's choose newsletter. You have many designs to choose from. Choose one and customize it. You can change font, images, text, whatever you like. You can even add links. I'll show you further on. For the purpose of this video, I'll do one of mine that's already prepared for you. I have a newsletter. Let's use that. I always add links to the videos. When your newsletter is ready, all you have to do is share it. Scroll down until you find more. Choose Simple Booklet. Sign up with your Google account. Upload your file, and that's it. You have your newsletter ready to roll. How can you add the links? So when you are preparing your newsletter, all you have to do is click the image where you want to leave your link, choose link, copy paste it, click on done, and that's it. That easy. As you can see, you can click on the flipbook and it goes directly to the video. Pretty awesome, right? Can you download it? No. That's only available in the paid subscription. But of course, you can share the link. Copy the link, that's it. Share it with everyone. This is massive, right? If you like this video, do check out my other videos on the channel because I have a lot of amazing tools for you and they're all free. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.